To enable Google Authenticator for RuneScape, start by opening the RuneScape website and logging into your account. Once logged in, click on My Account at the top right. Then proceed to the Account Management section. From there, find the option to enable security codes via an Authenticator app and click on Enable. Next, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and tap the plus button at the bottom right. Select Scan a QR code and scan the code displayed on the RuneScape website. After scanning the code, return to the RuneScape website and click Next. Enter the code provided by the Google Authenticator app into the box on the website. Then click Continue. Be sure to record or copy the backup code provided, as you will need to confirm that you have done so by checking the corresponding box. Once you have checked the box, click Finish to complete the process, thereby enabling Google Authenticator for your RuneScape account.